Motus has been live for about a month and thousands of carriers are now stuck. Here's what's going wrong and what to do about it. From This Week in Trucking, this is Hot Right Now, and I'm Lee. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe. We break down the things that actually affect your business. So let's get into it. As you might know, Motus is the FMCSA's new system for managing your USDOT registration. It launched mid-May and replaced old portals. The idea is good, one secure place for registration and filing, but the launch has been rough. The system is a real upgrade, but it has real problems right now. Here is the honest rundown. The claiming bug. A lot of carriers cannot claim and link their USDOT number, which locks them out of their own records. Identity verification failing. The login checks are rejecting people over small things. A name that doesn't match exactly, a blurry ID photo, or the QR code looping. The system crashing, like long load times, frozen screens. Do not panic about your biennial update. The FMCSA has suspended shutting off USDOT numbers for missed MCS 150 updates during this period. So a Motus error will not cost you your number. Number 2, be careful when retrying identity verification. Do not keep hitting retry because too many attempts can lock you out. Make sure your legal name matches exactly in 3 places: your government ID, your login.gov account, and your FMCSA profile. Middle initials, hyphens, everything. Then try again. Third, check your authority on public search. Even if your dashboard looks broken, the public Motus search tool shows what brokers and shippers actually see about your authority. Lastly, contact support. The FMCSA has extended its call center hours to handle this volume. You can call or file a help ticket online. I'll leave you the link below where you can do that. Make sure to screenshot the errors and note the date when you had these issues. This helps you when talking to support. So while Motus is working through a hard launch, you can try fixing your name details before retrying verification, checking your authority on public search, and be sure to use support if you need it. If you have not claimed your record yet, be sure to watch our last video where I walk you through the steps to log in. Remember, if you like quick updates like this, we have a free newsletter where you can get the hottest freight markets to your inbox every week for free. We also send you broker alerts so you can avoid the shady players in the industry. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drive safe.